Guys, get in nature. Get into nature if you can. Just wanted to give you a quick view of where I'm at today. I'm sitting at the beach, Hampton, Virginia. Greetings. Hey, Simone. Feels so good out here, guys. Oh my goodness. Got the sun on my back, the ocean in front, grounding. I sure did need this. It's so powerful to put your feet in the sand on the ground. Yes, doesn't it sound good? The brain is so powerful that if you looking at this, your brain doesn't even realize that you're actually not at the beach. So you can watch this and reap the benefits as if you were sitting at the beach, because your brain actually doesn't know the difference, which is pretty powerful. So this is our, what is it? We started our 7-day detox on Friday. And so this is day 3. And it is going really great. It really is going great. And every day I'm waking up feeling better. You know, feeling the effects of just eating raw. It's just been a really great supercharge going through the body. And then today, being here in nature, feet grounded, you know, sucking up some of this electric magnetic power that's coming from off the earth is powerful. It feels so good. Oh my God. So this is a part of detoxing as well, you know, eating the fresh fruits, drinking plenty of water, getting in the sun, breathing in fresh, good air. It's amazing. It's amazing. I'm really enjoying this. If you can do it, guys, get in the sun, get in nature. Just put your feet on the ground. Take your shoes off. Let your feet get on the ground and enjoy the power that's coming from off the earth. It's powerful. This putting your feet in the sand and on the ground in the grass, called grounding, it will do so many magnificent things to the body. It's unbelievable. It reduces inflammation. It reduces anxiety. It releases antioxidants. It's powerful. It's just a really, and it's absolutely, positively no charge. All you got to do is get to the ground, put your feet on it. You can do it right in your own yard. It's no fee. This is a gift that we have from Mother Earth that we don't always remember it. And children get the most benefits because they run around with their shoes off. They jump in the water. They love to be in the rain. Like if it's ever raining outside, adults try to run from it. Children want to run into it. And when you get those negative ions from the rain, it's very powerful. So yeah, this is day 3 of our detox, and everything is going great. Been enjoying fresh fruits, drinking water, had some tea. But I've been mainly just drinking the water and drinking and eating fresh fruits. And I've been blending up seeded grapes. I've had seeded grapes blended with 2 types of grapes, actually. The Scubanov grapes and the seeded red globe grapes. Blending that together and making a really great beverage. So good. And just eating melons, and that's pretty much been what I've been doing. And I had a salad. I've been doing little arugula. So following our guide, we got a 7-day guide. It's not too late. I'm going to be doing it all through the month. So if you missed it this week, you can jump on. Go ahead and get your 7-day detox. It's inside of the store. You can get to the bio, get to the link that's in our bio. I think it's even in the highlights, yeah. So you can get right to the link, download your PDF, and then you'll have what you need. Everything you need to be right there. Hola, hola. Greetings. Yes, guys, it's lovely out here. I'm enjoying nature. Been detoxing, going 7 days, 3 days of eating live. Each day you could feel, I know other people who are doing this as well are getting some benefits. It feels so, I can't even express how wonderful it feels to give the body a break from, eating a lot of heavy foods and cooking and just getting a break out the kitchen. It's been real good. There's been times that I have wanted something else, like some cooked food or whatever, but I just said nope. I'm gonna stay raw. I'm gonna continue this journey and enjoy it. So I really would welcome you guys to join me on the 7 days. We're gonna do 7 days again. So if you didn't start Friday and you want to get going, go ahead and get your PDF downloaded and get ready to start with us. Whatever day you want to start, just start. I'm going to be sending out text messages. If you want to be text throughout the detox, you'll get a message from me asking, do you want to, if you want to, you'll get an email basically saying if you want to be opt into the text messages, you can. And then I'll go from there. Just send you out some messages and, videos. If you missed the live, I'll send you a live. Just encouraging you to keep going, Because I know for myself, y'all see the pelicans? It ain't I don't know what it is. It's a seagull type pelican bird. But they dive down in the water and get the fish. But I'm definitely, enjoying the 7-day detox. I'm going to keep going. It feels good. This is where it's about, guys. This is what it's all about. Yes. Thank you guys for being with me. Those of you who are on this journey with me. Oh yeah. It helps your heels. This sand is just doing the thing. I can't even explain it, honey. It feels so good. So glad I came out here. Came with one of my buddies. That's in Hampton. So let's go down here to the beach. So we're at Fort Monroe. If anyone's, I don't know if you guys are familiar with this area. I'm in Hampton, Virginia. And we're on what we call the peninsula. So water is all around us. I'm in Hampton. And so this is Fort Monroe. And they have a beach here. So we're at the beach here at Fort Monroe. It's lovely. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for being with me during this time. So you guys can get in nature with me. And like I said earlier, your brain does not know if you're in nature really or not. So like if you can watch it on television, it's effective as well. So if you can't really get in nature, you can turn on YouTube and watch some of the natural like beach scenes or nature walk scenes, and you can really still get the benefit. You can do that and have your feet planted right outside in the grass, and then you could just be watching the television and your brain really thinks that you're in nature. So go ahead and use that. That's to our advantage, That's to our advantage. A lot of times we don't know that though. Some things we don't know, you know what I'm saying? I'm absolutely enjoying this, guys. So I hope that you all make your way somewhere today. If there's time still in your day that you can get out the house, go ahead. Even if it's for 5-10 minutes, just take your chair outside and put your feet in the ground. Even if it's just 5 to 10 minutes, you'll be amazed how energized you'll feel afterwards. I'm looking forward to feeling how good seeing how good I feel when I get up. I'm I'm looking forward to being able to talk about that, because I know how I felt when I was coming out here. I was kind of feeling tired. I fell asleep. I really didn't even, I was going to not come, honestly. But I had already said yes, so y'all know how that is when you say you're going to do something. So I'm glad I did. I made some salad. I had watermelon salad, guys, and I had, and I normally don't eat anything with my watermelon, but I wanted to be, I wanted to try it. So I did. I tried watermelon and cucumbers, red onions. I had olives, avocado, and I put some lime juice, a little sea salt. It was really good, honestly. I hope the belly says it's good too. It was tasty. It was really tasty, guys. I ate it up. I was gonna show you all how it looked, but I started eating it, and before I knew it, it was almost gone. So tomorrow I'll make it again and show you how it looks, at least, and tell you how it really tastes super delicious. Super delicious. Greetings. So I'm just sitting here at Greetings. I'm at Fort Monroe in Hampton, Virginia, and it is wonderful out here. It's a long stretch, and we just decided to just pull our chairs in the water, basically. So we're sitting in the water. Yeah, just sitting out here enjoying the sun, enjoying the water, the ocean sounds. It's very therapeutic, and so if you want to join me on the 7-day detox, just go to our bio, click the link. You'll see in the highlights, you'll see 7-day detox. You can click the link, get that. It's going to provide you with a PDF, downloadable. You can save the PDF to your phone or your computer. You'll have a full menu, recipes, so that you can have different things throughout the week. And you can also receive a daily text message from me. Be encouraged, to motivate you and encourage you to continue to be true to yourself, Be true to yourself. If you say you're going to do it, we're going to hold you to it. It's for your good. Greetings. Greetings. Thank you so much for the love. Thank you so much. Definitely a lovely day out here. I have a beach nearby. I hope you guys are taking advantage of it. Sometimes you can take things for granted. We lived on the ocean. It was this, actually, we were on this side right here, and our whole backyard view was this. And when we first moved into the house, the realtor said, don't be like the average person that lives in homes like this. They never take advantage of it because they're so busy working. And we enjoyed every day and night of living on the ocean. It was just amazing. So I definitely made sure I sat outside and I heard the waves splash and enjoyed it. So if you live near the ocean, if you live near beautiful parks, make sure you get in it. Get in nature. Get in nature. Enjoying this. I'm grounding. I'm sitting in nature. I'm grounding. This is day 3 of the 7-day detox, and I am enjoying every moment of it. Inside of the detox, I even put in there a journal section so you can write down how you feel during the detox, because sometimes you find, I know for myself, I find myself wanting to eat outside of what is raw. And so the journal part in the book that I created, it allows us to just kind of like take a moment to write down how you feel, because a lot of times we eat out of emotions and you're not really hungry. And so with the journal, you can actually take a moment to write down how you're feeling at that moment, so that you are not, so that you kind of like take a moment to allow that feeling to go. It'll pass. You can't overcome it. You just have to tame that monster that's, going off inside of you. Because if not, every time something says, and, comes over you, eat something, then you'll find yourself doing that. Instead of you sticking to what you say you were going to do, you'll find yourself doing it. And so you want to take a moment, use the book that I provided for you. You can print it out. You can write down how you're feeling. Write down how you're feeling. And when you get through the detox, you'll be able to look at your emotions, how you were feeling at that time. What did you do at that time? How did you overcome? It's going to help you. And so each time you resist the desire to do something opposite of what it is you say you're going to do, you're building up you're building up this, something inside of you. Your mindset is shifting, and you're building up the fact and the ability to overcome challenges. And so when you can overcome those challenges, each time you overcome, you get stronger and stronger. And so that thing that was bothering you, that thing that was on you, that you really wanted, if you continue to say resist it, it won't be an issue for you. You'll get past it. You'll be like, wow, how I got over that, I don't know. But you definitely can. You definitely can do it. And so all it takes is you being strong. So when the desire comes for you to have some fried mushrooms, let's say, and we're not doing fried mushrooms, we're doing, fresh fruits, and you don't eat the fried mushroom. Look at the bird. Just got his dinner for the night. Just got his dinner. And when you resist, you're strengthening, your mindset is being strengthened. And so you have to just continue to do that, because it's like you're reconditioning the way you think. If you eat out of instinct and impulse without even thinking about it, you just going about it, snatching something, eating it, not even really thinking about it, and then you go to this where you're saying no, and you challenge yourself, you talk to yourself, you ask yourself questions. Why do you want that? You got to be real with yourself. You'll overcome it, and then before you know it, you will not. It won't be an issue. It won't be an issue for you. It really will not be an issue for you. So I know for myself, I've had to sit myself down a couple of times and say, no, we're not eating that today. Drink your juice, drink your water, So yeah, I definitely just wanted to take you guys with me on this journey. I wanted to encourage those that are detoxing with me to stay the course. Do what you need to do each day. Be prepared, And if you're not prepared, you could swing into a grocery store and grab something to eat. Some fresh fruit. They have fruit cut up already. You can get a salad. You can grab some water. You can get some coconut water. You can go to a juice bar, get some fresh cold pressed juice. Just enjoy this part of life that you have committed yourself to. Just enjoy it. You'll be amazed how your body is definitely going to enjoy it. Your body is going to thank you for it, and it's going to show you how much it appreciates you by how you feel. So guys, I'm going to jump off here now, and I will be back on tomorrow to encourage, motivate you all to stick with it for 7 days. So enjoy yourself for the rest of the day. Get in nature. Make sure you do something like this. I don't care if you got to just sit out in your backyard, put your feet on the ground, get in nature. And I'll see you guys later. Make sure, if you're interested, go to the bio, click the link, the 7-day detox, grab the link, download it, go to the market, and let's get started. And it's not a whole lot of strange fruits. It's fruits that are in season for the most part, that you most likely can have access